guys, it's Kimmy. Today we're making Christmas ornaments and you can make them with us. We're gonna make some Christmas ornaments that are glittery and
yeah, so here goes. Let's get started.
we got a bunch of our materials at the Dollarama for pretty much under $10. And a couple of these things I already owned, but you can pick them up at like any crafting store near you. We are going to be using these styrofoam balls that we got from the Dollarama, a pack of 10 of them for $1.25. I think what I'm gonna do is just dip my paintbrush in the Podge and kind of like brush it all over the ball, if that makes sense. I don't think it needs to be super thick. I think just like a thin layer will be fine. And my fingers are going to get gluey. Now once I have it all painted up evenly with the Podge, I'm just gonna take one of these glitters. I'm gonna start with gold and see how that looks. And sprinkle it all over here. I shouldn't have worn my nice jeans. Ooh. Just kind of like rotating it in my hand as I sprinkle to try and get an even layer. I don't know how well it's working, but... I think the more I touch it, the more the sprinkles come off, so I'm gonna just stop touching it. But that's not bad for the first one. Okay, I just went and washed my hands and now I'm going to try a different color. I think I'm gonna go with red this time. Let's see how that works. Don't get your tail in it. Okay, red glitter. I want this one to be really glittery. Oops. That's not really working. I think I missed some spots with the Podge. Ah! Okay, well, that's actually not that bad, other than the missed glue spots that are really obvious. Awkward. I just changed my pants because of the reason being that I didn't want to wear my other pants. So yeah, this is really awkward. So the first two balls I feel like didn't have enough like glitter coating on them, and I don't know if that's because I need to double dip them or triple dip them, or if it's because I need more glue on them, but I'm going to try putting more glue on this one and see what happens. Ah, oh, it's gross. I love crafting so much. I really do like these glitter things though, and they were only $1.50. I feel like there's a lot of glitter in there. Obviously makes a big difference if I miss a spot with the Podge. It's very noticeable. So we we just finished dipping our snowball ornaments in glitter, and now we're gonna go outside and spray them in this Mod Podge and see what happens. Let's go. So we just finished spraying these with Mod Podge, and it was kind of weird because the green one seemed fine and the yellow one was also like kind of okay, but the red one shrunk and got really sticky and was really weird, and I don't know if it's gonna really work as an ornament anymore. We'll see, I guess. So we have decided that to finish off our very glittery, very messy ornaments, we covered them in saran wrap. So I haven't done the red one yet, so I can show you how we did it. So here goes. I just pulled off a piece of saran wrap that's like, I don't know, this big. And then I'm just gonna grab my snowball with the saran wrap and just sort of like try to contain all of that glitter inside of the plastic and wrap it around. I don't know if you can see that. And then I just like twisted the top so that it's nice and tight. This one has a little bit of air in it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, crisis! Ah! And that's that. And then I am going to wrap their little stems with some ribbon here. I'm not actually really positive how, but I'm just sort of going with it and seeing what happens. This is difficult. Just sort of wrapping it around both ways for no reason other than to tie it at the top. And here we go. I'm just gonna do a little knot at the top there. Sorry about that, folks. What if it's weird? I'd do a bow if I had more ribbon, but I don't, so I won't. There you have it, folks. How I'm gonna hang that from the tree, I don't know yet. We'll find out. You can make your own at home by doing exactly what I did. Thanks for watching. Also, I'll be selling my original Christmas snowflake snowball ornaments for
$50 a piece.
Send me a message. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like my video.